Welcome back to my channel, guys.
Welcome back to the end zone. And what do we have today? Something super cool. Well, we think it's cool anyways. We saw it in Walmart and it's something gross inside, right?
Yeah.
What does it say? Mega
Gross minis.
Mega gross minis. And there's 5 of them inside. So there's 5 surprise minis.
Let's open it.
You ready to open it?
Yes.
All right.
I'll use my muscles to open it.
You can use your muscles to open it?
Yeah.
Let's see. Good job. Those are some good muscles. What do we have?
It's stickers.
Sticker. There's a sticker. Let's see the sticker. What's this? We got some slime. Barf slime bag. Ew, that's gross. And this is everything that we can get. Let's see what we can get. Some moldy stuff, some stinky stuff. Lots
I
of
want to see it.
lots of gross stuff. Let's see what's in this bag. Three gross minis. Is that what we got here? Let's see. Zuru Mega Gross Minis. All right, we got 3 of them. So which one do you want to open first? Ew, what's that? What is that? Poop paste? Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. It is, really. It really is. It's McCavity's poop paste. That's gross.
Yes.
That's gross. All right, let's see what's next. Something gross. Popcorn. It's off corn. Let's see it. Off corn with a cockroach crunch. That's the tongue twister. With a real cockroach crunch.
That's gross.
That is gross. That's disgusting. All right, we got one more. What did we get there? A Red Bull drink?
Yeah.
What's so gross about it? Let's see.
Bugs.
Bugs? Dead Bull energy drink. The energy drink that stinks. Oh, look, there are bugs in there. Looks like some cockroaches or something gross. So we got the poop paste.
We got that side.
And we got the off corn.
Right there.
Yeah. And then we got the Red Bull. So we got a sticker. We got some barf slime. We got McCavity's poop paste. We got some off corn. And we got a Dead Bull energy drink. Those are pretty gross.
Yeah. It stinks.
It stinks? The slime? You think so? You want to open it up? Let's check out the slime. That's the last thing we have to open. Yeah. So it's called barf slime. So we'll see what Enzo says if it stinks or not. Just squeeze it out. Does it smell? Is it gross?
Yeah. It stinks.
So these were pretty gross. What do you think? Do you think they were gross?
Yeah.
So do you like these mega gross minis?
Yeah.
Was
Let's
it-
try another one.
You want to try another one? Yeah,
Yeah.
I think we will. We'll go buy another one next time we're in the store. And we'll see what else we can get. Because they were pretty cool, but also pretty gross, right? Disgusting. All right.
Thanks for watching, guys.
And don't forget to
Don't forget to subscribe.
like and subscribe. See you next time, guys.
See you next time, guys.